How to use Excel pivot tables to analyze data quickly. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you why pivot tables are one of the most powerful features inside Excel. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. The best thing about pivot tables is that you don't have to write any formulas at all. You simply drag your fields into the different areas, and Excel does all the work for you. And the great part is, they're super flexible. If your boss suddenly asks to see the report by rep, by quarter, or in any other layout, you can make those changes in just a few seconds. Pivot tables also make it really easy to visualize your data with pivot charts. These charts stay connected to the pivot table, so whenever you update the table, your chart updates automatically too. You can even add slicers to filter both pivot tables and pivot charts, making your reports interactive and much easier for your boss or your audience to explore different views and trends. You can also place multiple pivot charts on the same sheet to build interactive dashboards. And the best part? These dashboards take only a few minutes to create. No complicated formulas or heavy formatting needed. Pivot tables can help you compare datasets, validate information, perform lookups, and so much more. They're honestly a must-have tool for any data analyst. Now you might be wondering, can pivot tables handle my type of data? Or I don't work with sales data, will they still work for me? And the answer is almost always yes. Pivot tables are extremely flexible and can be used with a wide variety of data. But the most important step before creating a pivot table is making sure your data is structured correctly. If your data isn't in the right layout, it becomes difficult to build a proper report. But don't worry, Power Query can quickly reshape your data into the correct format with just a few clicks. I hope this video helps you get started with one of Excel's most powerful features. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and drop your questions or feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.